are braiding our own hair using the box braids as an example. But before then, let me quickly take out these braids I did before bedtime, and then we will go straight into how to braid your own hair. If you are braiding your own hair, you need a mirror. But then I usually do not like using the mirror because the mirror, like, it reflects back what is on you. So sometimes while you are parting the line and you're looking in the mirror, you feel like you're seeing the line on the other side. See, so you can choose to part the line using a mirror. You can use a mirror to see if the line is clear enough. But then the big secret is, while parting the line, use your mind rather than the mirror. You can only use the mirror to check if the line is clear enough, like that. Check if the line is clear enough. You see, use it to clean any unwanted hair in your line. So that's how I use the mirror. But when I'm really doing the line, like parting a line, I use my mind and then I concentrate as if I'm doing it in someone else's hair. Yes, that's how I part a line. Today, I'm not really going to be all about the line. Like, I'm just doing big box braids. I don't care what the line looks like. I'm going to use a big comb because my hair, like, you see, if I use this one, it hurts. So I'm going to use a big comb. If you are more concerned about how your line should look, maybe you should use a rat tail comb or a tail comb. But where's our hair? Which hair are we using? We are using Afro Kinky hair. It came like this, all curled up, and I like it. I actually really do like it. No brand name, nothing. It just came like this. I bought it on I bought it on AliExpress. Let's start already. We already have our part. Like, normally when people part their hair like this, they comb through. I don't want to comb my hair. It hurts. So I'm going to use my fingers to detangle. Yeah, I don't want to comb. I have this mentality that the more you comb your hair, the more it sheds. So I don't like combing. So I'm just going to use my finger and see. Okay, now that we have it like this, I'm going to take 5 strands, or should we make it 4? 4 or 5? 4 or 5? Talk to me, 4 or 5. So I have 5 strands here. I'm going to divide it into 2, and then I marry them together in holy matrimony. And then we get this. Then I take my part here, this, I place it under, and then I start braiding. I'm not going to make a knot or anything. I just start braiding straight. I'm going to tell you why I didn't make a knot like the normal box braid. Afro hair is always matted together, you know. So I'm box braiding like so. So we just braid like so. Normal box braid. I'm not tightening it, I'm really making it loose. My Italian friends really do like it. They're like, "Papi, your hair is nice. It's so African, you know." And I love the attention. I love attention. It makes me stand out a lot. Kinky hair. And some people cannot even tell the difference that this is not my hair. I love that too. So this is what the roots look like. This is more or less like a knotless braid, but I just don't feed in. I just don't take one. I don't know if you're getting me. With the normal box braid, you see the stylist taking the braiding hair around the person's hair, the person's natural hair, once or twice. I didn't do it that way because it's going to leave some puff over there, which I don't want for this particular style. Because the first hair was like matted up and I was finding difficult to see that too. This one looks more like cooler. This one is crooked and all. Hope you're seeing the difference. Okay, so these two are basically how to teach you how to pat your lines and then how to box braid. So this is basically it. When you get to your nape area, you're not going to use much of the mirror. You're just going to use your brain, your mind. Let me check if they are of the same size. Yeah, okay. As I can't see my back, I'll just keep them like that. This is what I got. So I'm going to continue off camera because shooting, talking and all of that is really dragging me. I usually finish this in less than 2 hours, so I'll be back when I'm almost done. And we are finally on the last man standing. This part of my hair, I bend my head down like this and then I braid. When I get a grip like this, I can then raise my hair and start braiding. That's how I did the middle part of my hair. Braiding the middle part of the hair is a bit complicated. You can even break your neck, you know. But as soon as you get the grip of the roots, you can like straighten up your posture so your neck doesn't ache. Yeah, and then you break. This was all cool and all, but the middle part makes it a bit complicated. Braiding your hair takes time and practice, you know. You should start with braiding your natural hair, like how my hair was at the beginning of the video. You should learn how to braid your natural hair, and then you start adding little bits of braiding hair into it, and then as time goes on, you're going to get it. Practice makes man perfect. The first time you braid your hair is really going to be messy, but then you learn from your mistakes and then you do it well the next time. If you braid your left side a while, leave the hair there and braid from the right side also. If you braid in front, leave it and braid at the back so that you don't put so much stress on your arms, your shoulders and your palm. Yeah, that's the trick. So this is what we got. Now that we are done, this is also nice though. You can style it anyhow you want. If you want to keep it like this, you know, but I want something that will make me feel free and not, you know, I don't want hair all over my body. So we're going to take this and then roll it all around. Just keep rolling it like that. This is actually what I want. I'm going to do the same to all the braids, and then I'll be back to show you the end results. Just that. You can hold it down with a rubber band if you're going to be sleeping with it, but I will bring it down soon, so I'm just going to leave it like this. But if you want it to be like stationed at one place so it doesn't come off, you hold it with a little rubber band, those cute ones. I have one lying around here, I don't know. This was the style I wanted. And then when I take them down, it becomes braids, which is also cool. But this was what I really wanted. So you don't need to go out to the salon. You can do all of this on your own. Hope you like it. Oh, the back. So that will be all for today. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Bye bye.